I really want to welcome you to join me on the top of the world in a session on curating life hacks to change your day and give it power to put you on the top of the world without having to join me up on the top of this mountain above our training center with Snowdon there in the background. You can do it in your living room in your own way. We'll be using Energy Block Release 10 as a sequence of adding the flow of prana into your heart and then using that to supercharge the life hacks that any yoga teacher would use. But I wonder, if you're a yoga teacher, are you using them? And do you have a kind of complete list of what these could be? And how are you using them? Could you add prana to them? Could you make them sing with power? And if you're not a yoga teacher, you can learn them too. These are the things that enable you to clear the stuff of the day, to go to bed in a way that you wake up the next morning filled with your passion and purpose, to catch the moment before the emotional geyser erupts into reactive stuff, to get clear with a few breaths, to add beauty, kindness, and love to a room so that the angst subsides, the collaboration takes off, and great outcomes result. You can do all this in the quietness of your own self. Join me and we'll have an amazing time together. See you soon.